Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily install NumPy library on Python 3.10. So to install any library you need to have Python and pip on your Windows 10 system. So if you don't know how to install the current Python version as well as pip, you can refer the link in the description of this video. Herein you can see when I'll go to start, on typing cmd I'll click on open. Herein you can see on typing Python -- version and press enter. I'm having the current Python version, that is Python 3.10.0. So when I'll type py - version, the same will be visible here. Yeah, press enter, press enter. Here you can see Python 3.10 I am having. So let us see the version I am having using py -m version. Press enter, and you can see the current pip version is 21.2.4, which is what I am having. So now what I need to do, guys, I need to just install the NumPy library. That's it. For that, guys, type the command py -m pip install NumPy. That's it, and press enter. You need to be connected to internet and you should have a good internet to install NumPy. Press enter. Now it will download the packages. You can see here it is downloading the packages. It's only 10 MB. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, if you are still facing the error, what you need to do, go to the following website. This is an unofficial wheel version because the official wheel versions are not working. So for 3.10, herein go to the following link. I have mentioned the link in the description. So when you'll press enter and reach the following link, search for NumPy. Here it is. Click on it. So we have reached here. Herein you need to look for CP10, that is the Python 3.10 version. Here it is. This is also wheel format. So you need to download the following. Download it. After clicking, it will download. It's 244 MB. So guys, we have successfully installed the NumPy version, WHL file, wheel file type. Now right click and click on show in folder. So here is the file. Let us reach the following path on command prompt. First, type cd space downloads, cd space downloads. CD is for change directory. Press enter. Now we have reached the downloads folder. What we need to do now, we need to just run this file. How we can do that? Type py -m space pip space install. After that, just mention the name of the file. For that, right click. To get the exact name, follow this, go to properties and just copy this path. Okay, now go to the command prompt. Herein right click. Herein you can see the complete path, the complete file name is visible. We need to run this. What I'll do now, I'll just press enter. On pressing enter, you can see it started running. Now herein you can see, guys, we successfully installed NumPy, the current version, on Python 3.10. Now let us run something quickly. Just type py and press enter. Let us first import NumPy. Press enter. Now let us find the version. So this is numpy dot _ version __. Press enter. Here you can see 1.20 1.2. So guys, we successfully installed NumPy on Python 3.10 on Windows 10. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.